Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to our weekly Renko Forecast. Now, of course, we follow our charts every day. We have, I think, like 40 charts, indexes, gold, Nasdaq, and this week I have chosen not many, but I think they're worth our attention, like USD yen. You can see here that I have a really nice retracement. I already have the reaction and the spike, and on higher settings I have, or I am, entering a zone of 400 pips, and also I have a very big trend line that is over, and I have volatility. So the only thing I can think of is me getting another setup, following our rules and of course our strategies. You decide which one that suits you best to go for, like 380, like 400 pips, like we said. So I think USD yen worth our attention. Let's go to Aussie. There you go. On Aussie, I'm waiting for a bounce. Well, I'm still waiting for it. I already have pending orders. It doesn't look really close as a strategy right now, but I can go short anyway because I'm way too close to my support area. And if I look a little bit closer on higher settings, you will see here that price has spiked, reacted on 24 EMA. I already have the crossovers, and now I'm having here a trendline break that covered 5,000 pips. So what I'm looking for is to get half of that retracement, and actually I would even like to get up to this point. So I am focusing on a bounce with, I don't know, 50, 60 pips, and I'm going for 3,000. So that's why I still want to go long. I have so far higher lows, and that means even if my bounce doesn't work out well, I will focus on a trendline break and a lower setting setup above my trend line. So again, I will follow the system, I will choose a strategy, I will follow my rules, and the only thing missing is my last position running for 3,000 pips. Like I explained, I have explained so many times, focus on your top-down approach, focus on your win-win scenario, and then leave your last position running, one step at a time. Let's go to EURCHF. Here we already have an entry. We are already on our last position, 360 pips. We trail our APO, and here I'm waiting for retracement. I don't have higher settings retracement though, but I'm counting on volatility. I look at the charts, I see that 12 EMA is holding and it's still holding, and also I see that 36 EMA on M12 is the, let's say, pair that price chooses to retrace better. So I will wait an M12. I will go short, even late, but I will be going for 670 pips, and the only thing I can do is do it with lower risk. No harm done. That's the only minus, let's say, in my approach. So I go with lower risk and no harm done. Again, in this kind of movement, the only powerful strategy is patience. Now if we go to GBPCAD, you will see that price has already retraced. Actually that was a false breakout, but a good retracement. And what I would like is to get a setup above this area to cover these 500 pips. And I'm counting on the strategy. Give me a second. There you go. Let's delete that. The M24. I already have a very powerful trendline break. So as soon as I get a setup above this area, we will be going for this is an M24, 500 pips. Of course you can combine it with lower settings, no problem with me. On Aussie Yen, we have already a pending order, well, an activated pending order. We got the retracement. Price still goes short. We have plenty of room. Price is going for 290 or even more pips. You can combine that with lower settings, or even on the same settings with another setup with a lower low and a lower high. We have plenty of room. It's a trend continuation. We are not close to a major trend line break, but that doesn't mean that we cannot take a trade with lower risk. On EURCAD, we also are in short. What happened? It's a trend continuation after a major trend line break. You can see that. I have plenty of room. Let me show you. I have plenty of room. I have a really nice M24 retracement, and I had also another opportunity to combine it with an M12. So again, you see price is going short. I have traded my last position as far as I can, and I will later on do it some more. And again, same approach. You can go with another setup or lower settings combination. The direction is clear, of course, going short. And that's it for our weekly Renko forecast. Thank you very, very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday afternoon. Bye bye, everybody. Cheers.